Mother Nature is a tough opponent. When she sets her mind to something, there's no stopping her. The best defense? A good offense.
To give your Subaru the upper hand, drive right in to see us.
We have the playbook for prepping your vehicle to tackle the winter months. We'll test the health of your battery, check your coolant, which also acts as an antifreeze for cold climates. And for those snowy and salty road conditions, we'll inspect your wiper blades, spray nozzles, and top off the washer fluid. We'll also examine your brake pads, the condition of your tires, and check the pressure in all of your tires. Finally, we'll make sure your lights are working properly, inside and out, and that your heating and defroster systems are fully functional. So even if Mother Nature brings it on, we'll provide peace of mind that can bring the team home safely. We're here to help. Make it last.